Good morning, sir.
Morning.
And good morning, everybody. Okay. In this occasion, I want to perform my presentation with the motion. This whole word legalized prostitution. Before we explain our mission, we must know what is the definition of our mission. In this motion, we know that was two main words. The first, legalize. What is legalized? In Oxford University Dictionary, legalize is we make something law or acquired by the law. We can take example as kidnapping, killing, and robbing. We make it a law by the law, and it before was prohibited things, and we make it work by the law. And personally, I consider that that was so impossible things to make it. And also, the second main word is prostitution. What is prostitution? Prostitution is having sex for having money. So we know that the prostitution is they do that for having money. So it can happen because of two factors. What is the factors? It is internal factors and also external factors. What is internal factors? Internal factors because of there might be from the rich, from the poor kid, or they were poor people, and also external factors. What is external factors? External factor is they do the sex for having for fun. And in many years ago, the practice of prostitution began to spread. UNICEF estimates that 30% of female prostitution in Indonesia, that 30% of female prostitution in Indonesia are women under 18 years old. In Indonesia, prostitutes as practitioners of prostitution is often referred as the bad word. So, they show that the behavior is so bad. It is despicable and an enemy of society. They are also affected because it is violations insulting religious sanctity, and they also drag to court for violating internal law. The prostitution word is known in the first human inhabit this earth, and is already now in the community since the first is evident by the many nouns scattered around them over time. Prostitution, a word that exists since the first humans inhabit this earth. In many countries, especially the country that has adopted interfaith and also prostitution, either covered or offered as fully prohibited now. Prostitution in Indonesia is considered as a crime against conduct and morality. The prostitution is most what give the much negative impacts. What should the prostitution is legalized? Legalized prostitution cannot exist with the true more equality of women.